Are you wondering how to get the very most out of your LNAT preparation? Using LawMint's digital platform correctly is the real secret to maximising your score before exam day. Preparing for the LNAT can feel daunting, but a systematic approach makes all the difference. LawMint offers an extensive suite of tools and practice tests, all designed to help you excel from day one. To get started, simply visit lawmint.uk and click on the Practice login link. This takes you to the learning management system, where you can instantly create an account and log in using your Gmail. When you log in with Gmail, your name and email are pre-filled. Just select your country from the drop-down box and click Update Profile to activate your account. It really is that quick. Once logged in, you reach the dashboard. Here you can take the free full-length practice test or purchase access to the complete series of 200 full-length tests featuring 8,400 multiple-choice questions. Our interface is user-friendly and intuitive, so you can focus purely on preparation rather than figuring out the system. A convenient side menu bar stays available throughout, helping you navigate the whole course with ease. The course is structured into clear sections. It covers the basics of the LNAT, Section A multiple-choice questions, and Section B essays. You get everything you need in one comprehensive, organised platform. We also provide genuinely useful tools. The Essay Writing Speed Analyzer gauges your typing speed and estimates the time required to type a full 600-word essay under real conditions. It also assesses your spelling ability, which is essential, because the actual LNAT essay screen has no spell check feature at all. Practising without that safety net is exactly where this tool proves its value. There is even a personal statement generator, which walks you through a set of questions based on the UCAS questionnaire, then lets you download your draft as a text file to refine later. The practice tests feature diverse passages sourced from a wide range of materials. They are built to mimic the complexity, tone, and style you will actually encounter in the real LNAT exam. During each test, a 95-minute countdown timer sits at the top to help you manage your time. Answered questions are highlighted in grey, and unanswered ones stay white, so your progress is always visible. You can flag difficult questions to review later, marked with a red corner in the navigation panel, just like the real exam. And once you complete and submit Section A, you cannot return to it, faithfully simulating true conditions. For Section B, you choose one of 3 essay prompts and write your answer. A word counter tracks your progress, while the 40-minute timer and disabled spell check mirror the exact constraints of Test A. After you submit, you can view your marks and read detailed explanations for every correct answer. You can also copy your essay into Word to check spelling and compare it against the provided sample answers. Each of the 200 tests can be attempted twice, with the answer options shuffled every attempt for fresh practice. The tests are fully responsive too, accessible on laptops, tablets, iPads, or mobiles, anywhere you are. With 100 Level 1 and 100 Level 2 tests, you get a truly enormous bank, letting you practice daily for months without ever seeing the same passage twice. Are you ready to see how it all works? Try our free full-length LNAT practice test today and experience the most realistic exam simulation available online at lawmint.uk. Take your preparation to the next level with the full series of 200 full-length tests featuring 8,400 multiple-choice questions. Head to lawmint.uk and subscribe to @LNAT Prep on YouTube for more advice.